A customer has purchased a new Hitachi NAS platform cluster and intends to migrate file systems as part of a server consolidation. The customer wants to keep the same logical file system structure. Which Hitachi NAS platform file system feature will allow the consolidation without exceeding the maximum file system limit? Option A. Storage pools. Option B. Virtual volumes, vVols. Option C. Trees. D. Cluster namespace, CNS. The correct answer is option B. A large company would like to reduce costs by consolidating the number of Windows servers that provide file services to Windows clients over TCP/IP. They have decided to purchase a Hitachi NAS platform for this purpose. Which protocol on the Hitachi NAS platform will need to be enabled to provide this functionality? Option A. WebFS. Option B. IPX. Option C. NTFS. Option D. CIFS. The correct answer is option D. A customer wants to use NDMP to back up their Hitachi NAS platform. How many NDMP clients do they need to configure? Option A. 1 per EVS. Option B. 1 per CNS. Option C. 1 per Hitachi NAS platform node. Option D. 1 per Hitachi NAS platform cluster. The correct answer is option A. Your customer has been using Metro Cluster for the past 3 months. They have recently purchased additional storage for their Hitachi NAS platform cluster. Which task must be accomplished to protect this additional storage using Metro Cluster? Option A. Modify the Intelligent Data Replication (IDR) rule and policy to include additional storage. Option B. Add storage pools created from the additional storage to the Incremental Block Replication (IBR) rule. Option C. Include system drive IDs created from the additional storage in the metro.conference file. Option D. Modify the Horton configuration files to include the new pVols and sVolumes. The correct answer is option D.